Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League support. In yesterday's session, we discussed about how to set approval request reason for sales documents through BAdI implementation. Today, we will go through that how to set reason for rejection approval requesters. Okay, so in any situations, whenever purpose trigger to that my inbox of the approver, then the approver might have few options like they can reject it or approve it or send for rework. So in case if they try to reject the order saying that it's wrongly created, data is incorrect, something, any reasons, if the approver reject the order, then the sales order level approve request, reason for rejection should be set. To make it set, we need to implement the BAdI. That can be done in the SVRO path, or if you know the class, then go to SC24, access the class, then try to implement the BAdI. Or we can go to the Fiori Launchpad, the custom logic app, you can use that. In case of SPRO path, we need to access SPRO, reference IMG, sales and distribution, sales document, and you see business add-ins. Yesterday we gone through the above one, set approval request reason for sales documents. Today we will see the other one, set sales document rejection reason for rejected approval request. Either you can access this one or we can simply go to SC24. So in SC24 we need to access the class BAdI underscore SD underscore APM. So in case of setting up reason for rejection, this is the BAdI underscore SD underscore APM. In case of setting up approval request reason, then we should use this one, SD APM set approval reason. So these are the main two classes we should use to implement the BAdI. Yesterday we discussed about this BAdI, and today we'll see about this one, BAdI SD APM. Again, so in this case also same thing we need to follow. In case of what approval request reasons or any other conditions, how to set the reason for rejection sales order level. So let me access this in another window. Okay, let me open the class again. If I go to the implementation and if I open the BAdI, okay, let me open this one. This is the one. Okay, let's get this message. SC19. Okay, Okay, let me access the implemented classes. Okay, let me open the method now. Yeah, now we came here, right? So here we are setting the reason for rejection. Whenever the approver reject the sales order. So these logic should be required in the backend body level to make it work, right? So in this case, definitely we need to involve ABAP team to do this body implementation with our required logic. In tomorrow's session, we discuss about what are the workflow configuration should be done in the Fury app manage sales document workflows. So in that Fury app, we should definitely configure some parameters. Based on that, workflow will get the required approvers. Right? We'll catch up in the tomorrow's session. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.